Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize cultural exchange with AFS Intercultural programs, full guide step by step clearly. Optimizing cultural exchange with AFS Intercultural programs is an enriching journey. First, understand the core values of AFS, which emphasize empathy, respect, and openness. Next, research the various programs offered by AFS to find the best fit for your interests and goals. Reach out to alumni or current participants to gather insights and experiences that can guide your decision. Prepare for your application by gathering necessary documents, such as transcripts and letters of recommendation. Complete the application process thoroughly, ensuring that you highlight your motivations and cultural interests. Once accepted, participate in any pre-departure orientation provided by AFS to gain essential information about your destination. Connect with fellow participants and local hosts prior to your departure to build a support network. Pack appropriately for your host country, considering cultural norms and expectations. Upon arrival, immerse yourself in your host culture by engaging with local traditions, customs, and community events. Maintain an open-minded attitude toward differences you encounter, and approach challenges as learning opportunities. Document your experiences through journaling or photography to reflect on your growth throughout the program. Stay in touch with your home culture as well, find ways to share your experiences with family and friends. Engage actively with your host family and community, showing genuine interest in their way of life. Seek opportunities for language exchange if applicable, as this can enhance your communication skills and cultural understanding. Take part in local activities, clubs, or volunteer opportunities to deepen your integration into the community. Reflect on your experiences regularly, considering both the cultural similarities and differences you notice. At the end of your program, express gratitude to your hosts and community members for their contributions to your journey. Follow up with AFS after your return to share your insights and contribute to future participant orientations. Continuously apply the lessons learned from your cultural exchange experience in your daily life and interactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.